I'm going to show you how to fold a bag for life from this to this. First of all, what you need to do is to make sure you've got your bag completely flat, and this time you need to have both your handles out. So first of all, you fold the bottom up like this. So you've got your bottom flat like that. So you can see straight away what size you're going to fold this, because it's split in half. So you fold it up like that, in half, like that, and like that. So you folded it in four, it's nice and flat. Then you fold the bottom up, fold it into thirds, and the top down, nice and flat like this. And then going to bring the strap up around the corner like that, and then you're going to bring the opposite strap up in the corner like that. And there you've got it. You can just pop it in your bag now, take it to the shops.